Hey guys, welcome to the Humble Brag design. So we've done a lot of customization for this client, so come through, we'll go through all of them. First off, you've got bed 2 at the front with its built-in robe. Next up is bed 3. We're going to the garage quickly, so we've done a 2-car raised ceilings for forward drive access with a separate workshop look in here. And then keep going through. So we've done black flooring for the epoxy flooring, which I really love. And then bed 4, same thing with its built-in robe. And then we'll go into the kitchen. So we've done a full wraparound style with an island bench, double floor pantry, overhead cupboards, massive fridge recess, which is really awesome. Separate laundry off the kitchen. So you've got in here, so you've got your built-in robe, built-in linen, and then you've got open area for your washing machine and dryer. This one is spare bathroom / guest bathroom, because I like to entertain. So we've done, you can see like the jewelry in all the photos. So we've got your vanity, we've got actually a nice massive double shower with a single shower head, single towel rail, and then the toilet. So really cool having straight off, so if you go entertaining, you're not going through the entire house, just straight into the guest bathroom. And then into a rear master. This is based on the concept of the Inception design and the few tweaks. So a massive thing in here, and then behind is the walk-in robe that you can walk around the entire area. Go to the other side. And what we've also done is a full-size window to actually allow a lot of natural light. Got 1.5 meters on each side, so it's fenced off, so you can have a very nice big natural light, which is something that the client really wanted. And then into the ensuite, so double basin with extended bench work, which is something the client really wanted. And then into double shower with the freestanding bathtub. The client was adamant on having a floor full bath, so we've got one sourced out for the client specifically for her, and that's what the style really comes out as. It's got a soap niche as well, so it's really nice and handy for your shampoos if you've got it on both sides. Most people normally do on one side, we've done it on both ends. So she can have her stuff there, you can throw your shit in there, no one can fight about if there's enough space. There's also a toilet tucked behind in here, so really cool, really customised based on how the client really wanted to do things. The fresco. Still got a couple meters backyard, nice big open fresco. And it really comes out, so you've got the light in here, and then you still have side access as well, so going through here. You can actually see it. So that's that garage on the boundary, our garage, and then 2.5 meters. So you can still drive a vehicle all the way through to there. Really handy. Might not be enough for like caravans or big boats, but if you need any vehicles parked down the side, definitely handy to do. So this is sitting on a 450 square meter block, so 15 wide and 30 deep. The plant originally only needs 12.5 wide frontage with the same 30 meter depth, so that extra 2.5 meters, that's where we maximise it to make the client happy with what their requirements were, to make sure that we fit it into budget, but also with their preference and style.